everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. You will not believe what just arrived in LA, guys, for PML Quickstrike. It will be in the morning. It is here, guys. Finally, it's home, guys. We're gonna pull it out. I miss driving this thing, you guys. Insane, this thing is wide. It's on the bags and it's lifted, you guys, so we should be good. We got enough clearance. Look at that thing, hella clearance. This thing was dope, man. Look at this trailer, it was only my car in there. Man, it's back, you guys. I don't know why the hell my check engine's on. The fuss? So weird. I don't see the check engine light on over there, but saying something earlier. Now it's gone that I drove it. Okay, makes more sense. Yeah, right. But the car has been sitting, so I feel it. It needed a little warm up, maybe. It done fixed itself. Man, I can't wait to rock this thing. Oh, it's back right there. Malfunction. Let's see if it'll go away when I turn it off and on. Traction's off. Well, looks like we're good. At least it's home, you guys. I don't think I'm gonna tow it to NorCal for a while. It took a while to get here, which killed everything. The day has come. Yes, I already started my day. There's a lot of nice cars out right now. You know what that means? I'm gonna give me some gas. Man, that thing sounds so good, you guys. Just open the valves, guys. Ooh. Hurry up, Rocks. Come on, girl, we gotta go. Women are always late, but it's cool. Are you excited? Let's do this. God, look at this lineup, y'all. Guys, we finally made it. PML Quickstrike. We had to park really far. We even came early. It's packed, so we're just walking over there right now. I did come with wifey, so she's a little excited. We'll see. See some really nice cars. Man. Beautiful 6.3S. And you got this G-Wagon just chilling here. Tourist. I'm 3? I'm 3. Man, look at that lineup. Huracan, PSV, M3, Volkswagen up here. Oh yeah. Ooh, M4. Man, look at this V10. Wow. nice blue McLaren. Okay, alright. Wow. Damn. Look at this Huracan. Oh my god, it's fully built. This is a definition of a real Huracan. This thing's beautiful. Even the colors got out. Man, PML is popping, you guys. I don't know if you guys know that car. I think RDB made that. It's the Key West blue wide body Huracan. Man, I think it's nice. Come on, come on. Yep, that's the one. That thing is a beauty. Look at it. Hell yeah, look at this thing, you guys. Oh my god. Beautiful lineup. Going on here, guys. Look at these wheels. They're so wet, man. It's so quiet here. Nobody's really talking, but this SVJ got my attention. Oh my god, look at this thing. What? What? So clean, man. Damn. That's monster status, you guys. 488, of course. This thing is so sick and black. Got the red stripe for no reason, but looking good. Damn, that's platinum motorsport status right there. It's looking good.
Really though? No, you're not luxury status.
Yeah, would. Man, there's so many nice cars except for that one. But we need them, so good thing they're here. Alright guys, you guys see that blue M5? We're gonna go look at that. But before we get there, very nice SLS. You see the door handles? That's how you can tell that it's an SLS. Just kidding. Oh, what's up, G? Man, this color, woo! I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. Damn, you guys. Wow. Beautiful car. Every little detail matters. Ooh, what is that? Of course, GTR. BBS is really nice. Guys, this color is something else. I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know what's going on. Okay, alright. More Steiners, alright. This is so nice, you guys. I don't know if I've ever seen this color on a M5, so I don't know if it's a wrap or not, but it looks legit, so I don't think it's a wrap. Man, Remus exhaust, beautiful. Man, look at this GT2 RS. This thing's a fun toy, wow. Man, are you kidding me? That's so badass. This wing, you guys, wow. So beautiful. This is a nice car. Alright. Let me tell y'all something about LA. Everything is blue, which is pretty much the best color you can get out here. Dude, look at this design, hexagon style. Man, this one's nice. Oh my god, look at that hood. That thing can do some damage. Wow, looks good. I want to go see that thing. Let's go check that one out. Looks like a GTR. AMG status. Man, this mint, I can't get over it, guys. Man, this 480 is killing it. Beautiful. Alright, there's something I've seen in this one, so we do have to check it out. Oh my god, it's wide body. Holy moly. Oh my god, look at that lid. Look at those canards. Holy shite. This grill is badass though. I love the way it goes down. Yo, this is wide body, babe. On BBS's. Oh my god, this color too. Oh my god, there it is. That's where it's at. Big wing. Look at this diffuser, just massacred everybody else's. Oh my god, look like individual plates. Now that's badass. Just look at this curve, you guys. Look at this AMG emblem inside of the taillight. Wow. This is a really nice one, you guys. I really like it. If you guys know me, this is the only AMG I would buy for myself. I would actually buy one. Yes. Damn, these headlights though. It's nice. It's really nice. Good job, man. Really nice. Okay, alright. This thing's gonna launch, yo. GT3 RS. And there is it too. GT2 RS. Not bad at all. Looks really nice. And then you got the GT3. See that thing? I think it is. F90. F90 right there. The real F5, you guys. Look at those wheels. Those are F5 wheels, yeah. See those calipers? That means it's an M. I still can't get over this, you guys. Look at this thing. Wow. Another GT2 RS. Just sitting there, you guys. Like it's a normal day. You guys, I like that look on a GTR. I know the big wing really matters, but that doesn't look bad at all. This is nice. All I hear is cop sirens, man. And we're making everybody move in the middle of the lane. So they're gonna pick it up. They said we're gonna pass out some tickets. They came in hard. Look how deep they are. giving tickets out. They don't care. Oh my god. Hey Rob, look at this fool. He's just writing them out one by one. Oh, he just kept writing. He got 3 of them. Look. They're giving him a ticket right now. That's hella messed up. Might as well just leave right now. Newport Beach, guys.
This guy got some.
Look, he keeps writing them still.
That's just wrong.
He's still writing them. What is he gonna do? Email him? Man, this GT3R.
You gotta do this, man. Like, it's so embarrassing. He wasn't even like, what about the cars that are whipping up and down the street?
Damn, dude, it's still writing it out. Guys, this whole area is cleared out. Just looks stupid now. That's badass though. Yeah, tell him what's up. Clear out. There it is. Show him what's up. Rip it. Right there. That's cool, dude. Yeah, there's a lot of people right there. You guys, look at that M6 chilling right there. It looks like my car in the future. Probably gonna get that lift too, so it don't matter. This color's pretty sick, you guys. Reaction right now. Look at this. I think the reactions from these guys right here. There's too many of them. You guys got tickets out there. Literally like Vipers and Audis and Ferraris, Aventadors. And oh my god. Is that a bat? That's a Mercy. Lago. Wow. That thing sounds so sick, you guys. Vibrating the floor. 720 look good in the front too. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. They don't even care, they're just chilling right there. Checking everyone's shit. Hell of people, look at this. Yep. You know what's crazy, you guys? Just because they blocked it off, now nobody can come and go from this angle, and there's like one lane left on this side, so they just killed the whole meet. Like, there's no cars coming and going. When every year all you see is hundreds of cars just passing by, making noise and just being sick. LAPD killed it.
Black car.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, parked in the red. Oh my god. Of course. Oh, there we go. They're walking down the street. They want the blue one out. They're killing the whole meet.
You guys a chance to move it before we give you a ticket.
Somebody move it, hurry up before you get a ticket. Look at that guy. Did you see that? We're making sure. I don't know, they better hurry up and move it. These cops are not playing. I think they're gonna go to my car next. It's all the way over there though. Guys, the cops are messing everything up. They're moving every car. The show's about to be dead right now. Might as well just make that drive to Newport Beach. Everybody. My car's all the way in the front, so I gotta walk over there before they do something fine. But they don't play. Look at that thing! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a Novatech. Oh my god! What happened here? registration already. Ooh, those doors look good. Oh, man, that looks good. Oh my god, you guys. That white 720. It's got a kit on it. Oh my god. Guys, this Evo looks so sick just sitting here. Oh my god, look at the green accents. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, this is a real Huracan Evo. They are worth like 300K. They're beautiful, man. Oh my god, look who's coming again. What the hell? Alright guys, I did park like 48 miles away, but that's where PML is, all the way over there. And I parked here for a reason, so we're good. But a lot of cars are going and coming, and it just sucks kind of, because it's like 1 or 2 lanes open unless they move. Because I see a lot of cops on this side. That wide body Key West blue Huracan. That's nice. That's beautiful. All the way from Florida. Look who's here now. Yaz Marina? Ooh, looking clean. I like the M3 look. Oh. Secure orange? Huh. V10 and 5? Huh. Oh, GT3 RS? Ooh, that sucks, you guys. Back and forth. Everybody got moved. Oh man, it's evil though. Sheesh. That's a nice M3, no lie. That's nice. Okay, alright. Oh my god. What? A rate with a blue top. That was nice. That was different. I like different stuff, you guys. E46 gang. Corvette all day. Maybe a Grand Sport. Cool. I'm telling you, they're everywhere. Looks like a GT2 RS gang. Some big old grills in the front, on the side. Guys, this is what I mean. Look, this freaking whole spot is blocked off. Like, okay. Ooh, Nordial gray, blue top. Man, that looks good. No lie, that's different. Wow, on the rate. Great work. Light up, you guys. Looking sick. So mine's done. Same thing, I just got 2 extra doors. That's all, guys. It looks really nice. Oh my god, that mint. It's coming into my life. Oh. Damn, that AMG was so wet. What the? Whoa. Oh yeah. Man, that's the. Look at this guy, he's gonna get him, guys. He's gonna get him. This is where it's at. Oh, Mercy. Love Murciélagos, man. Man, of course. I'm just gonna harass everyone and everything and anything. Wow. Murciélago looking like a bat. Man, now they're doing the other side? I can't. To say the cops are doing their job, but I mean, it's a big event. Come on. Every year is cool. I don't know what happened this year. Just look at that crowd just walking here. Everyone's just done. Look. All you hear is cop sirens just moving out. Wow! Look at PGA. Beautiful. guys. It's been smashing. I don't know, but I feel like I see a F90 plus a M3 equals a M-Power gang. And another one right here. Alright. Yep. Just how I called it. Damn. White on black. Those got some brown wheels right there though. Looking good. Color. CLA 45S rolling with the cops. That's the way Huracans look. Look how deadly it looks. Just sitting on the ground, bro. Damn. 997 look good. Look at the color on this thing, bro. Because they both look alike, but ooh, is that Ross? Yo, Ross just made it all the way out here from Sacramento. Nah, that's not my boy. My boy's whip is crazy. Got a fat diffuser, plus he has 2 engines in his. Blocking traffic. Look at this 488! Oh yeah. M3. Drop it like it's hot. Woo, look at the Silverstone in the back. Pump status. Drop. Ooh, M-Power gas. M3. M6. Ooh, 2 extra doors. Grand Coupe. That's nice. I love seeing M-Power. Just stop. That's nice. I'll have one of those one day. Oh yeah. Those are bad. Ooh, American Muscle. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Can't go wrong with American Muscle. They smash. These SSs can move, dude. Like a 6.2 liter. That color's nice. Lime rock? Yeah, that's a lime rock. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of police. Whoop, whoop. Oh man, I can't get over these Murciélagos, bro. Look at it. Just look at it. You understand it? Oh my god. Open the wings, man. Oh. Okay. Yeah, white with red guts spider on it. That's nice. Deep in front. Damn. Is that an F8? It is. Wow. Yeah, American Muscle sounds good. Tesla gang? AMG in the back though. It's like a C63S or something. Yep, that's what I seen earlier. Man, that spider look though. It's pretty nice. Not gonna lie, looks good. 2-tone paint job, ice cream paint job. Damn! SENNA! SBJ! 720. Video that Gentani Lambo, it flew, you guys. Did a launch and it just flew, man. That Senna's a very unique car, the one in the front. That looks so loud. I think it's a GSF, you guys. It does look badass. Feels exhaustive. My wife's favorite car. That LX's?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought you liked it. Wow, this whole time I thought I knew you. I'm just kidding. She likes the 4-door GT AMG. But hey, I'll take the 2-door AMG. She can have a 4-door. That Aston Martin looks sick. What? You want to say that to the camera, to all my fans? What sucks? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought, guys. She pretty much said the same car sucks.
Just because it has 2 less doors.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Recycle LA. There it is. Wow. That thing is so nice, you guys. Very unique. Oh my god, look at the thing. Look at the middle curve. Oh shit, that's Platinum Motorsports G-Wagon right there. I lied. Theirs is black. That one's green. Well, guess what? This is her car. I nodded right back. You nod at my car, I nod at yours. Pikachu? Babe, it's Pikachu. No, don't thumb her up. She just nodded at my car. Okay, this thing sounds like it's canned out. X? Guess it's not a 1. Thing, you guys, the SENNA McLaren. Look at that kit on it. Cars is pulled up. That's an i8 too right there. Yeah, alright. Good. The SVJ though, there's so many. Look at the look of that Lambo, you guys. The Donnie. They do make some amazing stuff, you guys. We're getting ready to head out, you guys. It was fun, it was really nice. It was a lot of people. Things did get messed up, but it is what it is. So we're gonna probably hit the coast and do the drive. That was nice. I love that one. I thought this day couldn't get any worse. What the f? Are you serious? A palm tree's on fire, you guys. Insano. And this M3 looks good, no lie. We mola red on it. Yeah. But damn. Guys, look at this. It's in the air. Bro, I don't understand what's going on. Look at the sun and the fire. It's on the floor now. Oh my god. It's gonna catch the building on fire. What the hell? Oh. Damn, that was crazy. Good job, RDB. That was so loud, huh? Yeah. We're gonna go with this team, you guys. bad traffic, so I don't know what's really going on. Could be from all of our cars, but should be cool. We'll see what happens here. Man, this Ferrari's so badass, bro. That bat right there look good. Hey. Good. Man, look at that drop top. That's good. Good. Nice. We're in the middle of nowhere. Newport. That car. Nope. All I know is I see my car in that bumper. You guys see the yellow car in the bumper? That a Ferrari? Through there, traffic was crazy. I'm gonna try to get it from the other side, guys. Man, there's a lot of cars. Bristol Cove, it's off the PCH. Let's see what we're gonna find here, guys. Oh, Earth already? Should be dope. It's the EFFSPOT now. That's the EFFSPOT, guys. What is V12? Hopping, you guys. Left and right, all I'm seeing is dope car. Guys, I do have to say, this is the loudest Ferrari 458 that I've ever heard. It's the F1 exhaust. It was in one of my vlogs at the PML Quickstrike last one. This sounds so beautiful. Here we go, you guys. We got the crowds coming already. As soon as I walk away, everybody walks up to it. There you go. As soon as I walk away, everybody walks up to it. Look at this. Guys, another crowd. I'm not even kidding. Been here for 5 minutes, literally. Kind of cool though, guys. It's crazy here. Look at this. Look at this. Really? 720. That's sick, dude. McLarens are really up there, you guys, right now. This thing is wet too. I told you guys, man. This was a Novatech setup right here. Oh my God, it was. Look. This right here is one of two I've seen. I've seen a black one, so I don't even know if that's this one. Could be. Same wheels, Novatech setup. Damn, how beautiful this thing is. Damn, look at this view, you guys. Suede airbag. Man, beautiful, man. That's a really nice Gallardo.
Okay, if I remember my car, I sold out.
Super Lega?
Okay, I see my car. I'll walk in there.
GTR? Ooh. Is that an R33? Yes. Ooh, R35. AMG. 720. Ooh. F12? Damn, bro. Look at these wheels. Guys, oh my God. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Yes, anarchy. I think that's what it said. I guess anarchy. Porsches, but wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bags? Yes. 100%. 100%. Damn. I can't tell if it's Nardo gray or chalk white. It's pretty sick, not gonna lie. Wow. Damn, guys, look. Damn. I feel you. Alright, anything with an RS. You guys should know. Damn. Wow. Those are real burnt tips, you guys. That you don't buy it like that. You get it like that after you're done. Putting it on, you make that happen. This thing is pretty sick, not gonna lie. All the details, like this line, the slit, the grill. Very nice. Nice. Get some air into the motor. And man, of course there's a cage. Sorry if you guys can't see it. Bucket seats all day. Paddles on it. It's a very nice setup. Damn, look at the gills. It's breeding right now. Man, these wheels are so dope. 265, 35, 20. The hell are we running in the back? Wow. 325 and it's 21. That's nice. No lie. That's beautiful. Yeah. Guys, how cool is this? That's badass. I don't know what he's doing, but that's badass. You want the 63, 43, or 53? Of course, 63, guys. That's like 150K, not 100K. Damn, guys. The new Corvette. I never seen this color. That looks sick. Gold? Ooh. Yeah, I haven't seen this color before on it. It's pretty nice. Damn, this is a really nice wrap. Flat black with a lot of detail. This is the one that had a little reaction earlier because of the police. But this 488 looks sick as hell, bro. Every little detail matters. Man, presidential parking? Ooh, looking good. Man, that's 720S though. And then you guys got the rocket. This thing flies. I flew it myself, guys. It's pretty badass. I lost control because of the big wing in the back. Like, ooh. Man, that M5 sounds so good. But here's a 600. Damn, dude. You know what I love about these? They say 600 LT right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. Damn, look at the carbon fiber hood. Alright, I haven't seen one of these. Look at this scoop, this whole roof. Damn, this is carbon fibered out. Good. That's beautiful. I love the diffusers on these, man. Carbon fiber to the full. Look at this pillar, you guys. Wow. Suede always. Alright, alright. There it is. Ooh, it's up now, guys. Man, looking good. Ooh, 412 Motorsport. That must be fast. That must be fast. Ooh, RPI. That's the same one. Again, crowd, guys. It's really nice of them, though. Showing some love. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and end the video. It was really dope. Just the drive here is worth it. And so many cars. I got to enjoy the whole day with PML Quickstrike. Thank you so much for hosting this. It was amazing. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye. Oh, guys. We just split through. valley.